In this video, we will see how to create stream from various sources. First, we will see how to create a stream from an array. Let us declare a integer array. So now what we do is let us create a stream using this array mynum. For that we will use a class called arrays. Okay. This class has a method stream. So that method will return you a stream. Okay. So we will call that method arrays dot stream. We need to pass this array minor. Okay. Next, what we do is we will print the number of elements in this stream. So now we have created the stream s1. Now we can find the number of elements inside this stream by calling the count method. So we will use the system.out.println to print the number of elements. Okay, number of elements inside this array, inside this stream s1 dot count. Now we can run this code and see the output. So now we got the value 3 because there are 3 elements inside this stream. So now we will see another way to create a stream. So let us first we will create a array list. So now we have created the array list names. Now we will add some values to it. Now we have added two names into this array list. Now we can create a stream from this array list by calling the stream method of that array list. So now we can create a stream now. Stream s2 equal to names dot stream. So this method will return you the stream from that array list. Okay. So now we can again print the number of elements in this stream by calling the count method. Now let us run this code and see the output. Now the output 2 is printed. Now we will see one more way to create a stream. So this way is we can use stream.off method. So stream integer s3 equal to stream has a method of, and we can pass values to it. So now we have created a third stream s3 using the stream.off method. Now we can again print the number of elements inside this stream by calling the count method. So now it will print value 4. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create stream from various sources. We have seen how to create a stream from array using arrays.stream method. We have seen how to create a stream from array list. We called the stream method on array list. Then we have used stream.off method to create a stream from values. Okay.